This is how to sort by value in your Google Sheet pivot table. So you need a pivot table and you need to decide on which column do you want to sort. In my case, I want to sort by values on the count of salaries, as I want the highest count to be at the top. So the steps that we need to follow are to hover on the pivot table to identify this button and click on it. And once you have done that, simply go to the rows section and you'll see there are two tiny labels over here, order and sort by. First, we're going to pick the sort by one. And in my case, I'm picking count of salaries. And then for the order, I'm just going to select descending from the order label dropdown, and I'm closing this one. And if we take a closer look at the pivot table, it's now sorted by values on the count of salaries column with the highest count at the top. So this is how to do it. Thumbs up the video if this helped you. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. And if you need further help, let me know in the comments and I'll help you out.